Hi, this is Suzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use outfit codes on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Have you found a Roblox outfit code and you're wondering how to use it? Or maybe someone shared an outfit code with you, but you're not sure where to enter it or how to apply it to your avatar. If that's the case, you've come to the right place. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to use an outfit code in Roblox step by step. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you can open your Roblox app. So to use uh, outfit code Roblox, you can go to catalog avatar creator. This one. You can search on the search bar. This one, catalog avatar creator. You can join the game into the map. So from here, we'll turn off the music first. So you can enter the code in this map, in this place. I'll show you how to do it. So if you want to add the code, you can go to community outfit. So you can select on community outfit. You can select on most popular. From most popular, there is an option to outfit code. You can enter the code in here. For the example, I will enter the code like this. Now you can just enter or publish. So here's the outfit code. Sorry, I think my internet connection is not in good condition. So you can just wear it. So here you go. Here's the outfit. It's very simple, right? If you like the outfit, you can buy it or you can save it to your saved outfit. It's very simple, right? So that is how to do it. How to enter the outfit code to your Roblox. I'll show you another code. You can enter another code. Okay, you can wear it. If you like the outfit, you can buy it by select on Save to Roblox and Save As and Save to Roblox. If you want to buy all the item, you can select on click here to buy all. Or if you want to buy only some of them, you can just select on the item that you want to buy, you can buy it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to use outfit code on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!